Today we're going to be doing an unboxing and first impressions of the Rocio Zarre. This was given to me by Prima Coffee in exchange for a review. I have it for about 30 days, so I'll give you full feedback on this machine. But first off, I do want to say thank you for tuning in to Capeen's Coffee Corner. This channel is designed to help you choose the coffee gear you want to brew with at home. You'll find a lot of reviews and comparisons on this channel, and I would love it if you would please like and subscribe. That really helps me out with producing content. If you're looking at purchasing this machine, please use the affiliate link below where I'll make a slight commission at no extra charge to you. Lastly, I have an Instagram account called Capeen's Coffee Corner. You're more than welcome to follow me there. So let's go ahead and get into it. Now this was sent to me and it's already been unboxed before, so it's going to look a little differently than normal, but it'll still be pretty darn close. And this machine retails for $3,750, so pretty significant price on this machine. This came ratchet strapped to a pallet with a box covering over it, and then it also had another pallet on there too. So it was a hefty delivery. It weighs about 73 pounds, and the first thing we have here, I'm going to turn this around, is the accessories right off top here. So we have the coffee tamper. We'll go ahead and take a look at that. Nice premium feeling metal tamper. This is a 58mm portafilter as well. We have the control panel right here. So this gives you the controls over all the settings of the machine from that panel. We have a blank basket, a group head brush, the nice wooden handled bottomless portafilter with a double and triple basket, I believe is what it comes with, and then a spouted portafilter as well. These feel really, really nice to hold. Very, very good quality and nice portafilters to hang on to. Next, after that, we'll lift off this piece right here, and we have an incredible looking machine from the top. So a lot of padding, not crazy amount, but since it was shipped on a pallet, I'd assume they wouldn't have as much. So we are going to take a little shift here, and I'm going to move this to the counter behind me. All right, there we have it, the Rocio Zarre by Prima Coffee. You have a hot one knob here. It's a dual boiler, has a couple gauges. The biggest complaint that I've heard other reviewers say is that this steam wand does not really go over the tray much at all. You can't really angle, and it kind of hits there. So I'm curious to see how that's going to go. It's got a decent sized water tank here on the back. Nice cup warming tray. Yeah, overall this looks really nice. I like the wooden accents. Everything feels super quality. You can definitely see, since this was a used machine, this kind of gave me an idea of how it kind of holds up in a little bit, because it's been shipped a couple times and it's been used by a couple different people, taken care of fairly well. But one of the things that I noticed is, because of this right here, you can see scratch going right across here on the machine because of how much they have turned this nozzle here, or the steam wand knob here. It did have all the stuff to pump it in and drain out the water tank here, which I am kind of interested to potentially drain, not the water tank, the drip tray, because I do have a drain for my knock box over there as well. The water tank or the drip tray seems a little small, but not bad. But overall, this feels, I don't know how I got this darn thing in there. Slides in. Doesn't feel like it's going anywhere. It seems very spacious up here. It's deep. The wood panels, it's kind of hard to see right now where I have it, but it seems nice. The knobs seem fairly nice. This one seemed a little, doesn't turn the best, but we'll see what it looks like over the course of the next month or so as I test this with the Breville dual boiler that you have seen here, which has, it's modded so it has the control to change the flow rate. I also have the Flare 58 that this is going to be compared to compare the pressure profiling that this machine can do. So I'm going to do a comparison between this almost $4,000 machine to an almost $2,000 machine to a $500 machine. So we're going to see kind of if it's worth the money, if it's worth a $2,000 price mark to the other one. This definitely feels like the most quality, well-built machine I've used. I haven't used a ton, but it definitely seems up there in the quality. So if you have any questions or want to know anything about this machine, please comment below and let me know, and I would love to help you out answering those questions. Thanks so much for watching.